Okay, my name is Isaac Biegon. For those who do not know me, I was the former chairman, president of Kenyans in DFW. And then the people who put me into that position as a chairman, we had only 2 Kalenjins. But when we came and I was fighting for chairmanship with the Kisi, the people who put me in chairmanship were Kisis. They came and gave me, and then they kicked their own and they gave me chairmanship. And I became the president of Kenyans. and in DFW, and I could invite the ambassador, I could invite everybody, and ONG'ESA was there with me all the time. He was behind me 100%. We went to school district, we worked together. He was my workmate. We went everywhere. You name it. Anything that we do, we discuss with him. Now, after I left the school district, even he became the top position at the top position. He even or he came as a certain high position, which nobody, no Musungu, only Musungus were there, but they replaced him with a black Kenyans. No, that's good. But I'm saying, ONG'ESA was a man of everything. And I've lost a friend that we have worked together for all those years. We came together all 80s up to this time. I'm a veteran here. When you see me look like this, I'm not young. We are the same age. But I'm telling you, we have come a long way with him. Now, I wanted to tell you that even after a long time we met in the airport. He's a taxi driver, and then he put everybody in line. He's a lawmaker. He said, "I don't want smoking. I don't want this," and then people call him. He's an attorney. Then they wanted to shout at him. I said, "I'll take photograph and take you to the office." They said, "This is bodyguard." But because we were together all the time, I'm telling you, we had a good time with him. Even he was saying, "Call my son, which is Obiri." He comes and talk to him. You do these things. He was saying, "That's my son," and I thought it was his son, but it was. I realized now. So this is the family. He loved everybody now. Everybody. He guided you. He was straightforward. And then whenever he wanted to do whatever I see in my own community, he said, "Form a community. Let us form. You form and lead, and I'll come and talk to them." So he was somebody who wanted me to succeed. Now every time we meet, he say, "How are you, Mutukubu Rais?" It is so sad that he left before I become the president. I'm going to run for president too. And when I run for president, I need votes from you. Wacha mambo ya Ruto. Tutaingia huko tu tutakuwa president direct. Sasa hiyo mambo tunaendelea namna hiyo. So I'm telling you, we had a good time with him. I lost a dear friend. It is very hard to replace him. But I'm telling you, I came here because when I went there. When I was in Kenya, I had exhausted all my money. I couldn't, and then people when they say you are from America, they think you are somebody from you have money. But I didn't have money. I had to call all the Gisis even that who owe me money. They never send me. But I told ONG'ESA, "Can you send me something? You want to send me $50? You know how much that $50 is in Kenya? 8,000. That's 50,000. 5,000. That's a lot of money. I survived even in the plane coming because I had no money. That's ONG'ESA. He did good. We have lost a dear friend, but the main thing is emulate the strength that you have had. Now, as you go down now, just make sure that you build a community. Be strong now. The family, be strong and have the strength to move forward. He has left a legacy. Now, even myself, now I say, maybe I'm next. Who knows? But I'm telling you one thing. He has given me now to look and do what is best now for my community now. Not to when you think because they usually say when you thinking, "Oh, this is wakali." Taingia tunakutema fanya hii bila ONG'ESA alifanya. Asante sana. Sorry.